we have just one more thing that we want you to know before your registration session. How to use the online system we call Solar. You've probably logged into Solar before to accept your financial aid package, but now you will use it to register for your courses. Jen, one of our academic advisors, will walk you through how to register for a course on Solar.
You can access Solar under the UWP logins page, and you'll log in with your same username and password as you do for your Ranger Mail. Once you log in, your home screen should look like this. So you'll click on the Search for Classes button right here, and the number one thing you want to make sure is to check the correct term that you are enrolling for. So we are going to select Fall 2020-21. Today we're going to add English 101. For the subject, go ahead and select English. And for the course number, if you know your course number, you can type it in this box right here. Now that's all the information you need at this point, so go ahead and click Search. And what you will come up with is all the current open classes that are available for you to enroll in. When I say open, that means a green circle. If you see a yellow triangle, that means a class is waitlisted, which you do not want to enroll in. And a blue box means a class is closed. So we have our class numbers, our class sections, the time and date the class is offered, the location of the class, as well as the instructor. If you see staff, that means the instructor has not been assigned yet. So you can go ahead and look at the different times and pick a time that works with your schedule. So we're going to select the 10 o'clock with Professor Sean Haltzinger. You're going to click Select, and you're going to verify all the information that this is the class that you want to enroll in. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 10 a.m. to 10:53 in Molinaro, M-O-L-N, and with Professor Haltzinger, and it's 3 credits. So go ahead and click Next, and what this does is place it in your shopping cart. It does not mean you are fully enrolled yet. So what you want to do is click on your actual shopping cart, and you'll see your class listed in there. What you're going to do is click Proceed to Step 2 of 3, and you're going to click the Yes box to agree to terms and conditions for financial aid and image release, and you're going to click Finish Enrolling. Now the final window you're going to see, you're either going to get 2 messages, either a green arrow, which means success, you are enrolled in the class, which I did get, or if you get a red X, that means there's an error, either you don't meet the prerequisites of the class, or it's a time conflict with the other class you are currently enrolled in. So that's the process. What you'll do is click Add Another Class. You'll repeat those steps to add the remaining of your classes.
As you can see, it's pretty simple. To make sure everything's in order, we encourage you to log in and get acquainted with Solar. Don't forget, you will need your username and password, the same one you use for your Ranger email. You're ready for the next step towards becoming a Ranger, registration. The Parkside Advising Team is excited to meet you. Go Rangers!